weather conditions across.
There it is.
Weather message. For the following county, Monroe, Ohio,
So we're
and
ready
the
for
following counties in West Virginia, Marshall and Wetzel. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Monroe County in east central Ohio, northwestern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, southern Marshall County in northern West Virginia, northwestern Marion County in northern West Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jacksonburg to near Sistersville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Martinsville, Pavin City, Pine Grove, 100, Jacksonburg, Sardis, Clarington, Smithfield, Antioch, Reeder, Porters Falls, Britain. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988. Posting
Just
to
got
the
home.
National Weather Service Pittsburgh
Just unboxed this
page,
video,
or using Twitter at
and it already got 2
NWS
alerts
Pittsburgh.
within an hour.